Good morning! Today's gonna be a very full day because I've got quite a number of things to do. The girls are gonna come over in a bit. They're gonna be working out of my place today, and I thought I would do some grocery shopping, do some lunch. I also got to prepare dinner for Man and I. See, I told you, it's a very busy day. I've got an event later on as well, so squeeze in a workout if I can. But first, I gotta go and shower. So this is my outfit today. I have my Lululemon Align tank as well as my Align high-rise shorts. So these are super comfortable. You don't have to wear a bra, especially if this Align tank is slightly padded. It's made out of Nulu fabric and it's super buttery soft. You guys know how much I love my Lululemon pieces. Like, I literally wear them all the time. When I don't even work out, I just like to be in them because they're so soft, especially the Align range, which is the one that I'm going to be talking about most in this video because I'm going to show you guys how I like to wear them and what I like to do in them. So if you are someone that likes low impact exercises like yoga, pilates, or home workouts like me, then I think this is perfect. So now I am going to do my laundry. Let's get going. Okay, so while the kiddos are working, I'm gonna go and be a mom and buy some groceries. But before that, I'm gonna put this on. I got this visor. I got it in white. I saw that they had a few other colors. It's adjustable and it's very comfortable. And it actually blocks out quite a lot of the sun. Let's go. Someone decided to join me, accompany me. The two mama hens. We take care of the rest of the kids. Looking for pasta sauce. Okay, and I'm back from the supermarket. Let's get cooking. On today's menu, we have spaghetti bolognese. Let me show you what I bought. First up, we have chives, naipai for my other days, tomatoes, minced beef, minced pork, spaghetti sauce, capsicum, spaghetti, and some oregano. Just give it a taste. I'm not a good cook myself, so pretty yums. I'm gonna mix it with the spaghetti and then I'm gonna assemble. See you guys at the dining table. Alright, and this is our final spaghetti bolognese. Look at all of them just sitting there and be like, oh, mama cooked today. Let's eat. Okay, so lately, I guess I've been pretty busy with clearing up work because I'm traveling again. By the time you guys are watching this vlog, I would already be in Korea or on my way to Korea. Super excited because that one's my personal holidays. Today, it's all gonna be about emails and writing up some like storyboard stuff. I thought I would squeeze in like a short little workout if I can because I want to keep myself accountable. Maybe today we'll do a bit of stretches and ab workout because yesterday I just went to the gym and I'm very, very sore. Good morning! So usually after a day of workout, I like to stretch the next day. My body is very tired and I usually like to kind of like work out alternate days so that I don't put my body through so much, and usually on the off days when I'm not working out, I'll usually be stretching or using like a massage gun or like a muscle roll so that I can roll out my muscles. Anywho, today I'm wearing my Align bra. This one is very interesting. There are two colors. I'm going to show you guys later how I interchange it, but I'm wearing the grey on the outside. Super soft and it's very flattering. And also in high-rise pants. So yesterday I wore the blue one, but I also have a pair of black ones. This is how I usually stretch. So I usually like to hold my stretches for about 20 to 30 seconds each time. I usually do about 3 sets. So this is the muscle roller that I usually use to release the tension. Just a warning, it's very painful. Feels so much better. Today I'm going to an event. It's my first physical event of the week, so yeah, just thought I would do something really chill. I also really like to wear as like going out tops, and I like to pair them a little bit more athleisure, and there's so many ways to play around with it. So if you guys haven't checked out my previous like YouTube video, you guys should, because I did a like an athleisure lookbook kind of thing. Look guys, it's interchangeable. Flip it inside out, so this was the previous color. And I'm home, staring at all of these dishes waiting for me to wash. Before that, I'm gonna go make some dinner for Mong and I first. Today we have Korean on the menu because yesterday the butcher's dining actually sent over a meal kit, so this is gonna be perfect. Anyway, I just want to say that this Lululemon Align bra is so nice, and I love it that you can kind of like interchange it. Nobody really even noticed that I was wearing a sports bra like at the event. When they found out, they were like, wow, it looks very nice. So I'm very happy about it. Do you guys like this color or the other color? Let me know in the comments box down below. I just changed back into my Align shorts. So this is how the meal kit looks like. It's supposed to look like this. 설불고기 전골. The noodles in hot water for 7 minutes. So it actually has like all the ingredients, even meat. This is the final product. It took me 15 minutes. Very amazing. Alrighty folks, I thought I'll do a quick check-in and just say good night because it's been a really long day, and thank you so much for watching my vlog and following my day with me. I'm still in my Lululemon outfit. If you're looking for something that is so comfortable, so high performing, so long lasting, I cannot recommend Lululemon's Align series enough, because they are definitely one of the first few pieces that I've owned, and I can see myself collecting them like for years and years to come. So yes, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!